Podcast, episode 30. Have you ever been ready to go somewhere important, but your car suddenly won't start? In that moment, you panic, but in English, you need to explain the problem clearly. Today's episode will help you do just that. You'll learn how to describe car troubles, ask for help, and understand what mechanics say, all through a fun story. Let me tell you what happened last week. It was Monday morning. I woke up early because I had a meeting at 9 a.m. I got dressed, grabbed my coffee, and went to my car. I turned the key and nothing happened. No sound, no engine, just silence. I tried again. Still nothing. I thought, oh no, not today. So I called my friend Sarah. She's really good with cars. Hey Sarah, I said, my car won't start. What should I do? She asked, when was the last time you checked your battery? Maybe a year ago, I said. She laughed. That might be the problem. Do your headlights turn on? I checked. No, they're completely dead. Okay, she said. Your battery is probably dead. You might need a jump start. I'll come over. 20 minutes later, Sarah arrived with jumper cables. She connected her car battery to mine. And a few seconds later, vroom, my car started again. I was so relieved. Thank you so much, I said. She smiled. No problem, but you should go to a mechanic and have your battery checked. Later that day, I went to the repair shop. The mechanic looked at my car and said, your battery is weak and the alternator isn't charging properly. I commented, replacing both. I didn't understand at first. Alternator? I asked. He explained the alternator gives power to your battery while the engine is running. If it's not working, your battery dies quickly. So I said, all right, please fix it. A few hours later, my car was good as new. And that day I learned some useful English for car problems and how to stay calm when your car just won't cooperate. Let's go over some important vocabulary and expressions from the story, the ones you'll need if you ever have car trouble. Number 1, common car problems. The car won't start. The engine doesn't turn on. Example, my car won't start. I think the battery is dead. The battery is dead. The battery has no power. Example, I left the lights on overnight, so the battery died. The engine is making a strange noise. Something doesn't sound right. Example, my engine is making a strange noise when I drive uphill. The tire is flat. There is no air in the tire. Example, I got a flat tire on my way to work. The car overheated. The engine got too hot. Example, the car overheated because there was no coolant. The brakes aren't working properly. A serious problem. Example, my brakes feel soft. I think I need to get them checked. Number 2, talking to a mechanic. Can you take a look at my car? It's making a strange noise. It won't start. How long will it take to fix? How much will it cost? Example conversation. Hi, my car won't start. Let's check the battery first. Okay, how long will it take? Number 3. Helpful expressions. I think something's wrong with. It might be. Could you check? I need a tow truck. Example, I think something's wrong with the engine. Could you check the brakes, please? Here are some grammar points that help when you describe car problems. Number 1, using the present simple to describe the issue. The car doesn't start. The air conditioner doesn't work. Number 2, using the present continuous to describe ongoing issues. It's making a strange sound. It's leaking oil. Number 3, using might and could to guess the problem. It might be the battery. It could be the engine. Number 4, using need to express what action is necessary. I need to call a mechanic. You need to replace your tires. These patterns make your English clear, polite, and natural when you're talking about problems, not just with cars, but in any situation. So, you know how to talk about car problems in English, from describing what's wrong to asking for help to understanding what the mechanic says. Mini challenge. Think about the last time you or someone you know had a car problem. Try saying out loud, my car won't start because it might be the battery. I took it to the mechanic and they said, this kind of practice helps you sound confident and natural in real life situations. Thank you for listening to today's episode. Don't forget to follow the podcast for more real life English stories and conversation. See you next time.